Well, howdy folks. We're back at Old Iron Plymouth's garage. We got a few goodies. We got Christmas in May, because we are in May. Today we got some tires showing up for this beautiful project. The old 65 Sport Fury convertible. Got all 4 tires waiting to get put on. Bunch of goodies. We got the old Valley pan here for the intake. Fuel filter. Bunch of intake gaskets for the Valley pan. The thermostat, throw on so she can run cool. Look at that. That is the piece de resistance. That, sir, or people, is an aluminum Source 440 head. Beautiful. I run these on all my big blocks. They are just extremely well made and never had any issues with them. Super light, dissipate heat, excellent. Here's the super light. Try picking one of those up with one hand, huh? Try that in the cast iron. Huh? Check out this valve configuration. Monster valves. Great. She breathes well, or she's gonna breathe very well. I believe that's a 76cc chambered. So even though she's already high compression, I believe it'll stay about the same, but the flow rate on these is phenomenal. Beautiful. Here's the intake side. Look at that. Gasket ported already from the get-go. Right out of the box. And I forgot I had to order these fancy studs for it. Gotta have these studs to hold them down. Can't use the stock ones. But they work very well. That is an awesome head. Anybody with 440s out there, I completely, or big blocks, any raised blocks or big blocks, 400s, 383s, 440s, this is the head you want here. Source 440 head. The best bang for your buck. Cheaper than rebuilding your old cast iron pile head. Usually. But again, 65. Getting some paint work done here. Getting everything looking pretty with the old Chrysler blue. The old Chrysler blue. Getting stuff prepped. Prepped and ready. Need head gaskets. That's one thing, it's hard to get. I'm having a hard time. They should be in tomorrow. I might have to order some just in case they go on some sort of back order. Crazy head gaskets. But, oh, look. There's the cousin. Another 65 Fury. This is a Fury 3 hardtop. 2-door hardtop. Beautiful. That's waiting for something to go in there. Something fancy. She's prepped and ready to go. Someday. Maybe by the end of this year. Maybe by the end of this year she'll be up and going. Definitely. More pretties here for the convertible. Yeah, good stuff. I'm gonna be busy this weekend, so hope you guys have a great weekend and have a good one. Well guys, that's as far as we're gonna get tonight, I think. Waiting for head gaskets to show up. I'll pick those up tomorrow on the Freda. That's about the fastest they're gonna get here. I was waiting on Amazon for a while. I couldn't get them there. He said they were going to be waiting too long, so I just went ahead and found them somewhere in Tacoma. Some AutoZone Tacoma or something had them, and having them shipped tomorrow over here to Ephrata, but we'll have some more progress tomorrow. But this is where we stand right here. Getting closer. Alright guys, have a good one. Thank you.